You sure you didn't take the drain out?
Aw, come on. No, he's so close. I'm gonna wake you up.
I have a cell phone number we can call.
Please wake up.
Huh?
Wait, you're sick. Marmo, Snore, you're really creepy. Wake up. Oh my god, you're both sick.